Here's the inside scoop on today's stock market action that's making investors rethink their strategies. The Nifty 50 index defied expectations by clinging to the crucial 25,000 psychological threshold, despite a 0.18% dip to 25,069.20, while the Bank Nifty edged up 0.18% to 54,887.85, led by a realty sector surge. Oil gas stocks also rose, but IT and pharma sectors dragged down broader gains. Meanwhile, mid-cap and small-cap stocks quietly outperformed with 0.44 to 0.76% gains. But here's where it gets controversial. Are these mid-cap rallies sustainable or just a temporary rebound? Let's break it down. Market outlook for Tuesday. Analysts predict a potential breakout for Nifty above 25,150 could trigger a buying frenzy, pushing it toward 25,300. However, Nilesh Jain of Centrum Broking warns that profit-taking at higher levels might temper this optimism. For Bank Nifty, Bajaj Broking highlights 54,350 as a critical support level to watch. Global factors at play. Market players are keeping a close eye on U.S. retail sales data due Tuesday, which could sway sentiment. Siddhartha Khemka of Motilal Oswal notes that the India-U.S. trade negotiations and Federal Reserve policy updates will also shake market dynamics. But this is the part most people miss: how Trump-era tariffs might interact with Fed rate cuts. Could this create a double-edged sword for emerging markets like India? 8 stocks to watch today. Experts from Choice Broking, Anand Rathi, and Prabhudas Lilladher have spotlighted 8 high-potential picks. Let's dive into their logic. 1. Radico Khaitan Limited, Sumit Bagadia. Buy at 2980.6 rupees with a stop loss at 2876 for a 3190 target. This stock just shattered its consolidation phase, hitting a record high of 2986.8 with surging volumes. The 20, 50, 100, and 200-day EMA lines all align upward, proof of multi-time frame bullishness. 2. Brigade Enterprises Limited, Sumit Bagadia. Target 1,038 rupees from 970 rupees and 5 with a stop loss at 936. After a prolonged slump, the stock is forming a strong base near its 29-day EMA, hinting at a possible turnaround. Breaking above 990 to 1,000 could validate this optimism. 3. Tata Steel Limited, Ganesh Dongre. Buy at 169 rupees with a stop loss at 165 for a 177 target. This stock has shown relentless strength at its 165 rupees support level, with technical indicators pointing to a potential 177 rebound. 4. Angel One Limited, Ganesh Dongre. Target 2,320 from 2,250, with a stop loss at 2,210. The stock is reversing from a solid support at 2,310, suggesting a fresh leg higher. 5. United Spirits Limited, Ganesh Dongre. Buy at 1318 with a stop loss at 1287 for a 1,360 target. Similar to Angel One, this stock is showing renewed strength from its 1287 rupees support level. 6. Hitachi Energy India Limited, Shijuku Palakal. Target 21,300 from 20,180 with a stop after correcting to rupee 18,650. The stock has retested its 50 EMA at 19,300 with strong RSI momentum. 7. ITD Cementation India Limited, Shijuku Palakal. Buy at 794 rupee with a stop loss at 780 rupee for an 840 rupee target. A recent consolidation phase has given way to bullish candlestick patterns and a strong RSI reading. 8. Meghmani Organics Limited, Shijuku Palakal. Target rupee 90 from 83 rupee with a stop loss at 81 rupee. This stock has bounced from the 79 rupee zone, breaking above its 200-period SMA with massive volume. Classic reversal signals. Final thoughts. While these recommendations are enticing, always remember, the stock market is a game of probabilities, not certainties. Do these picks align with your risk tolerance, or would you have chosen differently? Share your thoughts in the comments. And a quick disclaimer. These views are solely those of the analysts and brokerage houses. Before diving in, Consult certified financial advisors to build a strategy tailored to your goals.